Come take a look at this certified pre-owned 2007 Toyota Tacoma. This Tacoma has just under 89,000 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 on the highway. This Tacoma boasts a 4.0-liter engine, and has a 5-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the Southeast Toyota Distributor, Southeast Toyota Distributor Plus, SR5 Package Number 2 and the Towing Package. Call 888-879-0128 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.